Don't blow smoke up my ass. Listen to me. If you're at a .08 at 11 o'clock in the morning, you had more than a few drinks last night. And you had more than a few. Then grow the hell up. You're not 20 years old. The kind of behavior I'm seeing from you is what I'm used to seeing in 20-year-olds. Go to jail. Goodbye. We're done.
He's told me that he's completed all of the probation requirements. However,
Then you might want to talk to, you don't want to talk in front of me. You might want to talk to probation because I'm getting ready to put him in jail for 6 months.
okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll let you hold the files until you talk to probation. Because based on the information I've got, he hasn't done a thing I've told him to do. Counsel, you ready on Schomer?
I'm ready, Your Honor. However, we don't have an appearance on the violation. I'm only on the impaired driving.
Okay.
So I don't.
You're not representing him on the violation files?
We've not been hired on the one.
Okay. Then Mr. Schomer needs to talk to Mr. Bowditch then. Because Mr. Schomer, you're entitled to an attorney to represent you on these files. I understand this office hasn't been retained, but I'll let you talk to Mr. Bowditch if you'd like to talk to him. Mr. Bowditch, your appearance for Mr. Schomer.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, very out. With Mr. Stover, sir, you tell the judge your name for the record, please.
Lieutenant Schomer.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date it's absent for violation of probation.
I've got two files. I've got a file ending in 1182, and I've got file ending in 1648.
Your Honor, the violation of probation is he picked up new charges. I'm not addressing the new charges because he has a retained attorney.
Right.
On new charges.
And a date to come back on that file.
Right.
Right.
But he has an issue today, Your Honor. What court issue?
So that's not the only issue today. The new charges are an allegation that they would be a violation of probation, but my indication from the probation department is that Mr. Schomer has not done anything I've told him to do. Told him to do treatment at GrowthWorks, told him to do community service, gave him work program days. Has he ever showed you any indication of treatment?
No indication or documentation of treatment, Your Honor. He did complete his 30 hours of community service, which was a sanction for appearing at the court intoxicated.
Right.
And no documentation of treatment. He did complete the order of 10 days on the work program. Again, that's a sanction. Completed 8 or 9, I believe, and on that 8 or 9th day was when he was intoxicated while on work.
Right. So he hadn't finished the work program. He showed up here, including today, at least 3 times under the influence. What was his PBT today?
His PBT today is 0.10.
All right. Do you have, Mr. Bowditch, do you have any concerns whether or not Mr. Schomer is so intoxicated that he can't make informed decisions today?
Your Honor.
All right. So are we entering a responsible or a guilty plea to the violation or a not guilty plea?
Well, Your Honor, I said he's guilty. He picked up a new charge and he's intoxicated in court. That's obviously a violation. So we can plead him guilty. He said his explanation, he can afford that to you, Your Honor.
I'm willing to listen to anything you've got to tell me, Mr. Schomer.
Excuse.
It was last night. I had girls and friends come over. We were playing cards till like 2 o'clock in the morning. And I went to bed after that. I didn't wake up this morning to sign anything. Right? I came in here, took a shower, had my coffee, and I showed up here early.
All right.
To tend to a case that they think I was drunk, and there's no proven evidence of that.
I'm not talking about that file. That's,
Okay.
you've got to,
I was here this morning.
yeah. Yeah, but you knew you were coming here. It wasn't a surprise.
If you're at 0.08 at 11 in the morning, you didn't just have a few drinks last night. The courtroom goes silent. The defendant stands there, once again accused of violating probation, despite multiple chances, court-ordered treatment, community service, and repeated warnings. He shows up intoxicated, not once, not twice, but again and again. Even today, the test confirms it. The judge doesn't hold back. You're not 20 years old, he says. The behavior I'm seeing is reckless. The defendant tries to explain. A night out, a few drinks, nothing serious, he claims. But the judge isn't convinced.
Is it?
Yeah, I didn't come in here intoxicated.
You're legally intoxicated by law, sir, don't argue. By law, you're legally intoxicated. The state of Michigan says at a .08, you are presumed to be intoxicated.
Come in here. I had a night, okay, with friends, okay? We enjoyed our moment, okay? I had a few drinks, okay? I can't.
Sir, don't blow smoke up my ass. Listen to me. If you're at a .08 at 11 o'clock in the morning, you had more than a few drinks last night. And you had more than a few.
Say, who was counting? I mean, I'm just enjoying the moment.
I bet you'll be counting now because I'm violating on both these files and you're going to do 90 days in jail on each file. I don't understand how your head works.
Listen, I can get Uber to take.
No, I'll provide transportation for the next trip. 90 days in jail on each of these two files, and then we'll close them out unsuccessfully.
I'll lose my moment.
That's not my concern.
It's my job.
That's not my concern. Sir, I have given you every leeway.
I didn't do this intentionally.
You accidentally got so drunk last night that you're at a .10 at 11 a.m.
I felt
Then grow the hell up. You're not 20 years old. The kind of behavior I'm seeing from you is what I'm used to seeing in 20-year-olds. Go to jail. Goodbye. We're done.
What do you want this way? You think we're my pets? Are they here now?
no.
Okay, we got.
Thank you for that.
Never ceases to be baffled. You know?
What?
All right. Thank you, Mr. Bowditch.
Add-ons to break.
It must. We've been talking about it. He's always the most pleasant of people, and he keeps making decisions like a young and dumb.
Wait, is, he'll sober for, 180 days?
And he'll get drunk when he gets out.
We lose control of that.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, we take it.
But now, you know, all this stuff, it's stupid, but it's not dangerous. But now the allegation is he's driving like that. Right? I mean, we can't.
Get ahead of the drive.
He's gone beyond, he's a nuisance.
If you're still drunk at 11 a.m., you had a lot more than a few. At this point, the outcome feels inevitable. 2 probation violations, repeated failure to follow court orders, and no real accountability. Then comes the sentence, 90 days in jail, on each case. No hesitation, no more chances. Grow up, the judge says firmly. Go to jail. We're done. Just like that. It's over. But the message couldn't be clearer. There comes a point when excuses stop working and consequences begin.